First call was 1806. Francisco de Morena, yeah, he kinda led this. When he touched dirt, the war was started. A Creole, his idea was that of independence. You've been enslaved if you've been born, if you didn't inform. Stop a Spaniard, make him realize that we need class reform. Kick him out of here, Peninsulari's got to go. Remember what that paper back in 1811 was for? Your royalist intellect mad slow, your Creoles know. Claiming you changing, you faking, you lucky you got me back in 1812. Otherwise life would have been a living hell. Still took me 4 years to die in a cell. I might be dead, but my message is really clear. Although I ain't still here, my blood scarred your navy, made you cry like a baby. You was like a bunch of ladies. Your flag doesn't fly high lately.
You may remember maybe a man quite vaguely uniting till we die. The king oppressed life quite daily, so we'll live it to the freest till I'm crazy and you only live it once. But think about this nice thought lately. Wait, don't stop me before I revolt. Me tell you what this real man's name is, cause he's kinda famous, and I hope that I sound like a genius when I say this. I'm in Boulevard, but I want unification. You morons think that I'm just preaching, really I belong inside a dang chamber cell, guillotine, hanging park, and I'm back, and I am razor sharp, baby, back with a capital B and an exclamation mark. Maybe you should listen to me when I get the ballistics, and you don't wanna get caught in the quickness and swiftness of this hit. Cause after I spit these lyrics, I'ma treat these chumps be like a soccer ball. I'ma kick these itches, so get this hit 'em.
Class game, fighting for my life, but we can't arm down. Only got a bullet in my rifle, but we're almost independent, so we can't stop now. I don't really know where I'm headed, just enjoying the fight. Just gonna charge till I drop and fight till I die. I'm living life in the class game.
Spain don't meddle.
Life in the class game.
Spain don't meddle.
The whole goal as a leader was Gran Colombiana. At war with Spain as Captain Piar attacks the royalists. We went blow for blow at it, loser is the first to miss. We made a pact with the crown that says Venezuelan. You let us take this nation and we'll fight again, King Fernando. I'm living life how our enemies down. Our containment slipped through, so send your troops now. Ideas are out, does 1823 ring a bell?
We attacked Spain and tried to trap her, roughed her up and spit this out. Girl, get up now, get down. It looks like people having a real fit now. 1810, take a look who's back into town. The whole nation sounds with Boulevard every time he comes around. He came to the game empty, he holds freedom now. Spain like a man underwater, he's trying to drown. Here comes the civil war, captivated royalist unit. Spain makes me agitated, aggravated, to the point where you don't support Las Juntas, you're gonna get decapitated. Otherwise you don't give us rights, we're gonna have to take them.
And then after Boyoka, I'ma change this place sorta like Carayobo. It's gonna say the whole Armada lost today on top of the Constitution, independent from our economic/evil master, to having our own freaking nation. Woo! Meaning we on the world map, might wanna start renaming places. Start with winning the Battle of Lake Maracaibo. Hombre, they sick? I'll make a Spainwich out of you, brew. It'll taste good. This is now the Republic of Colombia. Mop up your mess with their constitution. Hombre, they left.
Now let the war drop like a sack of potatoes. What Spain's the creator, dictated to this war. Finally we elated greater. Tell your history books that you were our pater, but now you won't be messing with us, you haters. And I'm saying that we are
Class game, fighting for my life, and we can't arm down. Only got a bullet in my rifle, but we're almost independent, so we can't stop now. I don't really know where I'm headed, just enjoying the fight. Just gonna charge till I drop and fight till I die. I'm living life in the class game.
Spain don't meddle.
Life in the class game.
Spain don't meddle.
Spain don't meddle.
Spain no metal.
Leg out.